This video explains how to use Divergence in Analytics Builder, using organizational unit data as an example to recreate the organizational structure of a Brightspace instance by branching, transforming, and recombining data without duplicating workflows. Divergence allows you to branch a workflow from a single step into multiple transformation paths. You use this approach when you need to process the same data in parallel streams. Each branch can apply different transformations while still referencing the same source data. You later recombine the results without duplicating data or rebuilding the workflow. Note, Divergence is only supported in Spice. Direct Query can't support multi-branch workflows. In this example, the objective is to create a data set that recreates the organizational structure of a Brightspace instance. You can begin with the organizational units dataset, which contains all organizational units across all types. Use this dataset as the single source for all downstream branches. The first step is to create multiple branches from this dataset, each filtering for a specific org unit type. Apply a filter in each branch to isolate a specific organizational unit type. These separate branches represent course offerings, programs, semesters, and departments. To clean the data, in the Course Offerings branch, add steps to select only the columns you need. Rename columns as needed to standardize field names. Repeat these same cleanup steps for each of the remaining branches' program, semester, and department branches. Next, add the organizational unit descendants dataset to the workflow. Join this dataset separately to the program, semester, and department branches. Use these joins to identify which descendants belong to each organizational unit type. Finally, join each ancestor branch back to the original Course Offerings branch. This allows you to verify which semester, program, and department every course offering in the system is associated with. Now you know how to use Divergence in Analytics Builder to branch a single workflow into multiple transformation paths and recombine the results without duplicating data or effort. Thanks for watching.